so I'm Mio. This is my sister.
Hi.
Are you a hairstylist?
Nope.
But I am. Okay, so this is a tutorial. She got her very own custom color kit that we are going to be offering to all of our clients. And so I pre-mixed her color because I know what her color is. And each box comes with, just gonna open this up, really fancy. Comes with the custom color, of course, and the developer, and this is what we're gonna mix in a bowl. You guys all have this at home, obviously. And then it comes with a whisk that you get to keep for, I guess, next month or whatever, or however long this COVID thing goes. And then we have an application brush, of course, our business card, and then a pair of gloves. So I'm just gonna get my sister to apply it herself. There's gonna be instructions in here on how to do it. I'm also gonna send you a link, if you're social media savvy, the YouTube video on how this is all gonna happen and go down, okay? So those are the gloves. And she's not a hairstylist, like I said. She's gonna be using these clips to section it off. We're gonna have 2 price points. For her, I've mixed up for the entire head, okay? And she's gonna apply that all by herself. And the second price point is half a head, which is really focusing on the part lines wherever you part, either on the side, the middle, on the other side, and then you part from the top of the head to the ear, and that's gonna cover everything in the front. And then you'll probably have a little bit of color to cover the crown or what have you, so that's gonna be at a different price point, okay? So like I said, my sister's not a hairstylist. She has these things at home, which she's gonna use to section off, and just a regular comb, okay? For starters, we're gonna get her to put the barrier cream along the hairline. Okay, now my sister's been, she's finished applying the barrier cream, Vaseline, whatever you wanna use, along the hairline. And because she has short hair, she's gonna be applying it on the neck. Okay, so now the one marked C is the color, and then the one marked D is the developer. And now we're just gonna mix those two together. You do multiple. Nope, the whisk. So with the whisk that comes in the kit, she's scraping the color out. So this is the difference between professional grade stuff and the stuff that you get from the drugstore. It's quite runny, the one from the drugstore. And then now she's added the developer. You want to mix it till it's a nice creamy consistency where there's no lumps, okay? Okay, so she's pretty much finished mixing. See, so you get this like nice creamy smooth consistency. It's like overexposed in here. See, there's no lumps. Okay, so that's ready. Okay, so my sister is a bit of a veteran when it comes to applying her own color. I'm gonna suggest for people that have never done their own root coverage before is everyone is so different with their gray growth and where it sprouts up the most and all that good stuff. So I would recommend that wherever you have the most grays, to apply the color there first. Okay, so let's just say her side parting has the most gray hair. I would definitely part down that side and then apply the hairline first. So let's just pretend, okay, that I'm her. So just a little bit on this foam applicator. So you always want to do the hairline first, just because you want that to sit on the longest, because that's where it counts the most. Okay, so we were doing a hypothetical scenario where we said that she's got the most grays along this parting. So then what I would do is now apply on that parting. So just turn that way, face that way. So this is where I would say if you were just purchasing the half kit, that's where I would separate it, and then I would apply along this line. Okay, I'm going to use her nifty clip, and then I'm going to get her to apply the rest after. I'm just giving you guys a show of what I would do. See, and then if you tie your hair up lots, I would definitely go around like that, but I did mix up enough color for her entire head. But like I said, if you are going to be purchasing just the half kit, then then that's what I would do, is just stop here. And that's it. And again, if you tie your hair up, then I would do underneath all the way around. Okay, and then I'm gonna section from the top there, just behind the ear, just showing you what the half application would be like. Okay, so because my sister purchased the full kit, I'll show you the full application. So see, from the top of the head, down the ear, forward, that's the half kit. And remember, you guys aren't going anywhere, there's no one to see, so you don't have to be that meticulous with your application work here. Of course, don't stain your own face, but then that's what the barrier cream's for. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach my sister how to apply properly. Okay, so she's gonna take over now. Actually, wait, hold on, turning back around. So because she purchased the full one, this is what I would do now. So when I said attack the entire hairline, it's going all the way around. There. Sorry, my hand was in the way. There you go, you have the application all around the hairline, processing. Okay, so I'm just gonna clip that hair off right away. So I'm gonna get you to hold this length. And then now start sectioning. Okay, and then you're gonna, yeah, now you're gonna apply on this side and on that side. Yay! Fun.
Yeah, it's actually pretty fun. Mind you, people, you're social distancing, so take all the time you need. This actually doesn't stain like the normal ones too. You know, those cheap like boxed ones. You know?
I didn't even pay her to say that.
Well, it's definitely easier with this because the box one doesn't have this applicator and it's just actually really annoying.
See, I wouldn't know because I don't have any whites yet.
Sure.
I don't. You could go through my head.
Don't say that because you'll get them right after.
Okay, so you want to saturate it just a little bit more.
A lot more?
Just a little bit more. Oh, why is this slow?
The hair, I can see it. Go get tweezers.
It's fine.
No, I can still see it.
No, but I'll just do it later. Okay guys, live back in my sister's washroom. My sister's now attacking the back section of her hair. This one? Is it better? So she's just doing this all by feel. You want your comb?
No, that's okay.
See? And it's that easy.
Definitely helps if you have two mirrors. You know, the brush is definitely easier than the homemade stuff.
The box dye from the store?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's definitely easier to apply.
And remember, this is all custom to you. So if you've seen me before, I know your color code and you're not going out to use box dye that I'm gonna have to color correct once you get back into the salon. Color corrections start at $300 for me. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so you guys get the point. I'm gonna let my sister apply the rest, and then once she's finished, we're gonna leave that sitting for 30 to 35 minutes. If you have really stubborn grays, then I would recommend doing the 35. Okay guys, so my sister's finished. Now she's just combing everything through, and then we're done, pretty much.
Easy peasy.
And obviously, if you guys are gonna be a return client, please keep this and reuse it so we reduce the waste. And obviously this can just be rinsed out as well. And the bowl you use, I would recommend like either like a ceramic bowl or something like that if you don't have a plastic one. And there you go. And then we're gonna have also shampoos for your hair type. sample shampoos from Kerastase and conditioners to really hydrate your hair once you've done your root application. Okay? If you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me. DM me through my Instagram and then I will get back to you. I'll also provide my email address if you don't have an Instagram account. Okay? Bye!